Hey, how's it going? Back with another Amazon deal. Been scouring Amazon, trying to finish up Christmas shopping. I'm an early Christmas shopping guy. I like to be done in October. But got a couple deals I just want to show you here. And I'll put links to all this stuff down below. I saw this buffer. I've been looking for a buffer. I'm doing some coin ring projects. I'll be doing some videos of that. Um, but this one, just a fantastic deal. Pretty good ratings when you look at it. It's got a $25 off coupon right now. So bringing this down to just over $100. So a good deal there. And then I saw this Beaver. This is a holiday deal right now. It's $50. It does have a fiber wheel and it has another felt buffing wheel, and then it comes with this little attached Dremel. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's got really good reviews, just over 4 stars. Um, and maybe you just need a stationary Dremel. I don't know if that I'd use that all that often, but this just looks like a great little buffer, especially for just a goofy little project. Maybe a tool I'm not going to use all that often, but looks like it'll come in handy. I just don't like swapping my dedicated bench grinder wheels for buffing wheels, and I do want something stationary. I saw this guy, so we got some knife making projects. We just bought some materials for this winter, which again I'll be doing some videos on. But this one came out at about a quarter off. It is 175 bucks. It's a 2 by 42 inch belt sander with a bench grinder on it. And heck, maybe I'll just throw a felt wheel on this one and leave it, and then that'd be my answer. So it's a 6 inch wheel there. This one right here, this is a great deal on this. These are actual Dremel branded, so really good quality. They're rotary tool engraving and carving kits. So it has these little, I think they're carbide burrs that different sizes. Then it has these wheels there. Here, I found these because I'm getting this. I have some of the other Nightlight LED bars and lights, so I have completely tricked out my riding mower. Put these on a snowmobile. These are fantastic. $22 for the big light bar. And then you also have uh, this one here. I've purchased this one, $14.52. I have two of these on my brush guard on my riding mower, so I can, especially this time of year, it's dark. So if I'm using it to plow or anything like that, I actually have a magnetic base attachment for these, which is just really handy to have. You will need a wiring harness. This one is 11 bucks. It is fused, which is really nice. It's just all you do is connect it to the lights and you connect it to your battery, and that's it. It's got a little on-off switch. I just have mine zip tied under the seat, so I just raise the seat up. But you can put these on a car, Jeep, tractor, snowmobile, whatever you got. It's just really handy to have. And here's you can see this is a trunk mounting bar. These just slide on your trunk, or in my case, a mower deck, um, or a deck lid for a tractor. Now I do have it on a plastic deck lid also, and it seems to do all right. It doesn't flex a whole lot. It doesn't hasn't cracked the plastic lid, but I think probably not the best mounting option. But I didn't want to drill any holes, so this is great. I really like it for 12 bucks. Here we also have this here. It's a bumper retainer clips. So hey, get those zip ties off your bumper and do a little professional job for 11 bucks. It comes with these little trim tools. You can usually get these tools separately for about 10 bucks, but here you're basically getting the free retainer clips and the retainer clip remover. Just handy to have in the garage in case you need it for something. These Duratec super thin open end wrench sets, these are wonderful. So I think I have Sunex brand, but these are great. Where they really excel is getting into real tight spots. Like think about the leveling feet on washers, dryers, ovens, cabinets, stuff like that. Leveling feet. These things will fit down right in there. The real thin wrenches. I mean, you're not going to use them to torque down bits and fasteners, but for reaching places where you can't get other wrenches, they're wonderful for 20 bucks. That's a steal. I talked about the right angle, how much I like that DeWalt right angle flex shaft or right angle shaft. This is a flex shaft. So this thing looks fantastic. It's 25 bucks right now on sale, but it's a flexible shaft with a right angle attachment on it. I can see lots of uses for this. And here you can never have too many bits. I have a lot of these DeWalt screwdriver bit magnetic these guides. They're great for drywall screws or just screwing really anything in. This is like a little collar that comes down over the fastener to keep the fastener on the end of your drill bit, uh, and that way it doesn't fall off, and it's a lot easier to get screws started. And then this thing slides up. Just really convenient to have it, and it's 10 bucks right now. It's about 12 bucks right now at Lowe's. This is another rotary tool accessories kit. It does come with a lot of these little wheels. I don't use these sanding drums all that often, but it does come with the cutting wheels, which I use the heck out of. Comes with some felt polishing pads. I use this a lot for polishing, and it does come with these sanding wheels. So this is a pretty good deal at 20 bucks. And I talked yesterday. The that sale's not going on anymore. The gear wrench, flex head ratcheting combination wrench set. This is an SAE set. There's also a metric set. 36 bucks for eight flex head ratchets by WorkPro. WorkPro makes some pretty decent stuff. I mean, it's a budget tool line, but it's not bad. It'll get you started. And this sale's still going on. If you're up north and you got a snowmobile, get your tracks up off the floor when you're storing your snowmobile with this thing. It's 25 bucks. It's a great little deal. And I have a couple of these. I have these in red, green, and black. But right now that's 30 bucks. This one's 29 for the green one. I have those as well. They're all the same, just different color. These go on the skis of your snowmobile, and this goes right under your tracks. You just lift it up onto that, and then you can slide your snowmobile wherever you want inside your garage or your shed. You can push it sideways. You can turn it around. So if you don't have reverse, you just pull it in the garage forwards. Put these wheels on there. You can turn it around, and then you just pull out of the garage. They're wonderful to have. Now, they're not really good on uneven terrain, and they're not drivable, so you can't drive with it on there. I guess you could try, but these work really well for storing your snowmobile. And here, this is an even better sale than the one I showed you yesterday. The Creality PETG is $10.99. I got a couple rolls. Only the black is on sale right now, but I print a lot of my functional stuff for PETG in black. So I got a few rolls of this. This is a really good deal. The Bissell Little Green Pet Deluxe, 118 bucks, which is a good price on this. It comes with the cleaner. One of my first reviews was doing an epoxy repair. One of my first videos I ever did was doing an epoxy repair on this thing. Well, it finally motor burnt out on me after about 12 years. I think we had this thing. So we purchased another one, but this is a good deal. Here I did a review on this guy's brother or cousin for a tripod. I like this. So most of my outdoor shots are filmed on this thing. It's a selfie stick, which I don't really use a selfie stick, but the tripod function of it. And this one, where this one beats the one that I have, is the head swivels, which is really handy to have. So again, I've used this. I really like this brand, this Ulanzi brand, and this is a really good selfie stick tripod. And even has a shoe here so you can mount a light on the tripod itself. Just a handy contraption to have if you're filming videos. The EcoFlow River 2, I did a video on this one, a whole video dedicated to this. I took this camping and was able to run my CPAP for 3 nights with the humidity turned off. It is right now you got a $50 coupon bringing this down to $189. So this is a really good deal on this thing, and I really like it. Like I said, it's perfect for camping. Even staying in a hotel, I used it so you don't have to go unplugging a bunch of stuff to plug in your CPAP machine or your cell phone charger. It even works as an uninterruptible power supply, so you can plug your CPAP or your computer or something into there. And then if the power goes out, this will it'll act as a pass through, and then this thing will kick on if the power goes out. So good deal for $189. Pajama pants, 15 bucks. You know you need them. It's that time of year. Here we go. 365 days of pun-believable dad jokes. So you might see some dad jokes from this calendar on the channel. So it is a 365 days. So if you're ever running out of dad jokes, this is the calendar right now, and it's 11 bucks. And calendars don't get cheap until about the second week of January. So there's a pretty good price on that. So again, you might be seeing some of these dad jokes. And finally, this one, I missed this yesterday, but this Anycubic PLA is 13 bucks, almost half off. There's a couple sizes for that price, but this Anycubic PLA is fantastic PLA. I usually use the Overture because the Overture PLA is priced around this, but for this price, you can stock up on PLA. Well, hopefully this helps. I got a couple other videos, some non-Amazon videos coming out here as I get back in the swing of things after being sick. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions or comments or have any questions about these products, I have most of these or are going to have most of these. So just leave those comments below. And as always, I'll post links to all this stuff. They're Amazon affiliate links, and just by clicking on it, it doesn't cost you anything. But maybe Jeff Bezos will fling a couple pennies my way. So anyway, I really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching.